Hold on to your hats, folks, because the rumors are true. Toyota is back with a vengeance, and they've unleashed a beast. Get ready to drool over the 2026 GR Corolla. It's about to blow your mind. All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the all-new 2026 Toyota GR Corolla, a car that has got the entire automotive world buzzing. Now, if you're like me, you've been eagerly anticipating this moment ever since the first whispers of its existence. And let me tell you, it does not disappoint. We're talking about a turbocharged, all-wheel drive monster that's been meticulously crafted to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. From its aggressive styling and aerodynamic enhancements, to its track-tuned suspension and responsive powertrain, the GR Corolla is a true testament to Toyota's commitment to performance. We'll be dissecting everything from its engine specs and handling capabilities to its interior features and technology. Is it the perfect blend of practicality and performance? Does it live up to the legendary GR name? And most importantly, is it worth the price tag? We will investigate the powerful engine, which features an improved cooling system and even more responsive turbo, and other key components to ensure maximum performance. It has a wider track, better aero, and a stiffened chassis, so buckle up, as we're about to embark on a thrilling ride as we uncover all the secrets of the 2026 GR Corolla. Let's talk performance, because honestly, that's what this car is all about. The 2026 GR Corolla boasts a heavily upgraded version of the already potent 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. Expect even more horsepower and torque than the previous generation, delivering blistering acceleration and a truly engaging driving experience. The 6-speed manual transmission is still the only option, which is a huge win for purists like myself. It is still linked to the GR4 all-wheel drive system, which has been further refined to provide even better traction and stability in all conditions. The suspension has also been thoroughly reworked, with stiffer springs, upgraded dampers, and optimized geometry to minimize body roll and maximize grip. On the inside, the car is equipped with new,